So once again, expansion of algebraic expression. So here is the part 2 of or the continuation of expansion of algebraic expression. So here we want to look into these examples again. We have to expand this 3 plus x with x minus 2. You expand this. Here we have product of two expressions. Here we have square of an expression. Here we have product of two expressions. Though here we have three different cases. 5x is a variable, 2y another one, then we have a number. So we can see that these three examples are not the same. So let's see how we expand the following. So the first one, we have a 3 plus x minus 2. We want to expand this. Unlike the other one we did, here if you want to expand this, we have two variables. We have two things linked together in the bracket. You have a number and a letter, or whenever you have more than one, link with or with an operation, either plus or minus, or just like we have it in all these examples. So what we are going to do is this. We are using the first part, the first number here. The first number here is 3. Or whatever you have that is being linked to the other. So you take the first one, multiply it by what you have inside this bracket, the second bracket. You take the second one again with the operation. If the sign is plus, you are taking it together with plus sign. If the sign is minus, you are taking it together with negative sign. Then you multiply, use to multiply everything in this bracket. Okay, for better understanding, this is what I'm saying. Your expansion will be, you are using this 3 to multiply everything. So you write 3 open bracket x minus 2. You are using this to multiply everything. Now you take this again together with the sign, so that is plus x multiplied by x minus 2. Then we expand as usual, as we did in the previous examples. So now let's expand this. 3 multiplied by x, that is 3x. 3 multiplied by negative 2, that is minus 6. Here again, we do the same. Plus x multiplied by x. We said x times x is x squared. So that is plus x squared. Plus x multiplied by minus 2. Plus times minus is minus. So minus x times 2, that is 2x. Now we have this. This is the expansion of a 3x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 2. But can we simplify this further? Yes, we can simplify this further by collecting the like terms. So you can check my videos on how to collect the like terms. So here we have a 3x. So this is 3x. Another one with ordinary x is negative 2y. So negative 2x. So that's minus 2x. You write this minus 6 plus x squared. So here again we have a 3x minus 2x. That is just 1x. But you write x. You don't need to write 1x. Minus 6 plus x. So meaning expansion of this is this. Though if you want to arrange based on the power of x, so we can rewrite this as x squared plus this is positive plus x minus 6. So here is the expansion of let's consider the second case. Second example, we have 3x minus 2y squared. When we said x times x equals to x squared, or anytime anytime you have x times x, that is x square. Meaning this square implies this multiplied by the same thing again. So I can write this as a 3x minus 2y, 3x minus 2y. So it's just like this multiplied by this, that is square of it. Now we can now expand the same way we expanded the first example here. So you are using 3x to multiply everything here. You are using negative 2y to multiply everything here. So we have a 3x multiplied by all you have in the second bracket. Please take note. You are using what you have in the second bracket. Here, what we have here is x minus 2. That's why we are using it here. We use it here. So now we are using the second bracket now. So now 3x multiplied by everything here. So that is 3x minus 2y. What you have next is negative 2y. So that is minus 2y. Use to multiply everything again. 3x minus 2. Open this bracket again as usual. So 3 times 3, that is 9. X times x, x squared. Use this again to multiply this. 3 times negative 2, that's minus 6. X times y, x, y. Do the same here. Minus 2 times 3. You know you are using this to multiply this. Minus 2 times 3, that's minus 6. X times y, that is 3x, y, or yx. They are the same. Minus 2y multiplied by minus 2y. Minus times minus, that's plus. 3 times 2, 4. Y, that is y squared. So here, do we need to collect the like terms? All the terms, they are already with. The like terms are already together. So you don't need to disturb it. Just do the normal addition and subtraction. So if you don't know how to add this, I have a video on how to add integers together. So negative 6 plus negative 6, that's negative 12. So 9x squared minus 12xy plus 4y squared. And this is the expansion of a 3x minus 2y, everything squared. So here is the expansion. Okay, where is the second one? The last one. Here is the third one. We have a 5x plus 2y minus 1 multiplied by x plus 3y. So just like the other examples, here now you are using this 5 to multiply everything here. You are using plus 2y to multiply everything here, minus 1 to multiply everything. So now let's do that together. So now we have 5x multiplied by everything here. So I will put s plus 3 in bracket. You do the same. Plus 2y, you put everything in bracket again, s plus 3y. Then minus 1 multiplied by what? X plus 3y. Now let's open the bracket usual way. 5x times x, that is 5x squared. 5x multiplied by 3y. So we have this. We have a what? 15y xy. 5 times 3, 15. X times y, x, y. Here again we go. Plus 2 times x, 2y times x, that is plus 2xy. Or you write plus 2yx, they are still the same. Plus 2xy, plus 2y multiplied by plus 3y. So plus times 4 is still plus. 2 times 3 is 6. Y times y squared. Minus 1 times x, minus x. Minus 1 times 3y, minus 3y. And here is the expansion of this expression. So we can add the similar terms together. Here you can see that the coefficient here, The variable here is xy. So they are the same. So you can add them together. Any other similar, there's no any other similar variables again. So we have a 5x squared. This was this, that is 17xy plus 6y squared minus x minus 3y. If you like, you can decide to arrange it according to the power of x or the number of variables. So I can rewrite this as 5x squared plus 6y squared. We have two variables. So plus 17xy minus x minus 3y. And that's the final result. So please watch, take time to study these examples and attempt several examples. Wish you best of luck.